I'm Farm Bureau Kid Correspondent Adam, and I'm here at Wald Dairy. I'm going to speak to Lucas. How many cows do you milk every day?
Right around 100 right now, probably about 98.
How many times a day do you milk the cows?
Twice, once in the morning and once at night.
So how much milk does a cow produce every day?
Each cow produces around 60 pounds a day. Some are a little less, some are a little more, but it's about 60.
What kind of feed do you give these cows?
Well, like grains, like some corn and gluten pellets and stuff, and a lot of silage, and there's a lot of hay in their ration too.
So a common thing said is that cows have 4 stomachs. Do they actually have 4 stomachs?
Well, technically no, they only have one, but there's like 4 compartments to each, like 4 digestive compartments.
Here, look sis, there's the milker. Cool.
Start and then line them up and they'll go right on.
So how long exactly does it take to milk each cow?
It takes about 5 minutes per cow. Some take a little less, some take a little more, but it's about 5 minutes.
So what exactly is the hardest part of being a dairy farmer?
The hardest part is probably trying to find somebody to take over your chores so you can take a vacation or even go to Bismarck. It's always a time factor because we have to milk twice a day. One of the best parts about being a dairy farmer is being able to watch your goals, you know, to make more production in milk, more cow comfort, and the togetherness of the family, that we can work together, play together, and also vacation together.
They're movie stars.
This has been Adam, Farm Bureau Kid Correspondent, reporting from Wald Dairy.